How to look karma? Guruji, is money actually written in our destiny or we can change it?
See, money is written.
Okay. What are the changes we can actually make?
What are the changes?
Guruji, can your birth chart actually show if we can become rich or struggle financially?
See, all our actions are ruled by Panchabhuta and
Is there any reason why income increases and savings never actually increases?
okay. That's what income means. There are two incomes. One is
Hello everyone, today we have Guruji Dr. Divin Dinesh with us, an international astrologer. So we'll be asking him questions about astrology, how it actually works, and the doubts usually people will have. So let's get started. Namaskaram Guruji.
Namaskaram. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay. Guruji, can your birth chart actually show if we can become rich or struggle financially?
Yes. See, all our actions are ruled by Panchabhuta and influenced by Navagrahas.
Okay.
So, in your horoscope for marriage or wealth or job or business, anything, each has a related house. So, when you check that house, it will tell you whether you can become rich or not. If you are not rich, it will also tell you what you need to do, what measures you need to do, both spiritually and scientifically to become rich. So your answer, yes, we can see.
Okay. Guruji, is money actually written in our destiny or we can change it?
See, money is written in our destiny. So scientifically we have our DNA. So you have your father and mother's face cut. You have their character. Same. If I take your horoscope and if I take your parents' horoscope, that will match exactly. So if we have a DNA of our character, money also has a DNA. Okay. So that is a written one. But can we change? Yes, we can change to a extent.
Okay. What are the changes we can actually make?
What are the changes we want that we can make?
Okay.
So if we are really not well, for example, regarding money, see, every house will give you money. Okay, we say Dhanasthan. What are all Dhanasthans? We say second house, which is your personal money.
Okay.
We will say sixth house, which is service, working. We say 10th house, which is business. But three houses mainly we will say. But all houses, for example, 8th house will tell whether you will get money from your spouse or not. Your 11th house will tell whether you will earn profit in your business or not. So each house will give money in one or the other way. So as you ask, if we can change, yes. For example, if your 6th house is weak, some people will ask, sir, should I do business or should I work? Okay. If their 6th house is weak, I will say go to business. If their 10th house is weak, you go to work. So if both houses are weak, you will give some other solutions. So like that, if you check your horoscope, see, horoscope is nothing but our DNA or our blueprint. If you check that one and if you act accordingly, yes, we can change.
Okay. Why do some people earn easily while others actually struggle to get money?
See, it's with go with the flow.
Okay.
So as I said earlier also, if your service or your 6th house is strong, and if you go for job, in job you will continuously you will grow.
Okay.
If that person goes for a business, he might struggle if his 10th house is not working well. Okay. So that's why, like for example, a few cases comes. A father he has a pharmaceutical company, like an Ayurvedic pharmaceutical. His son came actually to me. He is struggling. His father is 80 now. His son need to take over the business. But after taking over, like he's having a very, very hard time because his 10th house is very weak. Both the 10th and 11th house is very weak. So what we said is, you change this business to your mom's name or your wife's name. Then you become a MD and you take a salary. Now that got neutralized and now he is getting good money. Okay. So according to your horoscope, if you take a decision, you can easily earn money. In case if you say my 10th house is weak, but only I will be the owner, I will not make any other owner, then you will struggle. So there is a saying, go with the flow. In swimming, if you go with the flow, it's very easy. If you want to go opposite, of course, you need to have a hard time.
Okay. Is there a hidden reason in astrology for financial blocks?
See, there is no hidden reason. It's more of a karma. Karma is more of hidden. Okay. Very few people know how to see the karma. One is astrologers. Another one is spiritual people, like really good spiritual people. Okay. For others, it's mostly hidden. But I don't think anything is hidden. If you know how to read your horoscope, we can find it out.
Okay.
The main thing is, see, everyone will have a issue, either relationship or family or money. So just bring your horoscope. We will see what makes that block. What is the karma? For example, I don't want to give any more personal reason. If a father or mother has a disease, that will repeatedly come to their kids.
Okay.
That's DNA. That is scientifically
Yes.
proven. That is more of a medical scientifically proven. Like that, if you see in a home, your aunt might be going through a very tough time in life, that will reflect in you. Okay, for
Okay.
generally for girls. And for boys, if you should see your father's brother, how's their life method, that will reflect in you. That's why in earlier time, when you go to a bride or bridegroom's house, you bring their family. And when you're going to see a bride, a girl, they will see how is that girl's aunt life is.
Okay.
And for a gents, they will see how is their uncle life is. With that, the DNA pattern, you can sort it out. What is the problem? This one is for personal. Same thing, you can look for wealth also. So where we astrologers come is, we need to see that pattern and we need to see how to break that pattern. So there will be one karma issue. See, every action has a reaction. There will be one karma issue which triggered for getting money or losing money.
Okay.
If you break that chain, then we want to change, or we can earn more money as our desire. Simple.
Okay. So how to look karma?
See, how, so otherwise, who records karma or who gives karma? See, the Lord Shanishwara Bhagavan is called Karma Karaka. Simple. Scientifically, if you see, every planet is associated with your body parts. So, Lord Saturn produces a gray rays. So, which is a gray particle in your body? Brain and your bone marrows. Most of our karmas are stored in brain and in your bone marrows only. So that's why when we get Sade Sati, we are going through very difficult time. So we will take, if you say, if someone is coming, sir, I got divorced. What is the problem? Then we will see their 7th house. 7th house is mainly for marriage. Where is the issue? So if there is in the 7th house, if there is a Mangal, that means spouse might be very angry. Or if it has a Ketu, then the spouse might be very introvert, and the person who is coming to us might be extrovert. So this introvert extrovert might not go well. That might be the issue. Or in other case, the problem created itself will come. The one who created. So in that I saw that there was one lady who came to me.
Okay.
She literally lost 1 crore in trading. Okay, the question she asked me is, I have not told my husband that I lost 1 crore. If I tell, will he have a fight with me or not?
Okay.
It's a basic question. Of course, he will have a fight. And he said, he's not good, he's not responsible, he's not giving money. Like, he give you 1 CR. So when I saw the chart, her husband is a very good person. And he's a very family person. The lady who came to me, she is actually a little arrogant and she was losing money, and it's clearly I can see in her house that in her kundli that she will lose extreme money in gambling. Okay, so those people also will come. So we need to, I told, like, no, your husband is good, you can just tell in a proper way. But she was arrogant. So finally I told, no, problem is not with your husband, the problem is with you. So like that we can see both. So this is how we see the karma. If you come with a particular problem, in that particular problem, which planet is there, and that planet is combined with which other planet and which other houses, that's how we find the karma. It's all about, it's a pure mathematics. Yeah.
Is there any reason why income increases and savings never actually increases?
Okay. That's what income means. There are two incomes. One is either you can go for a job or you can go for a business. Fine.
Okay.
But your second house will tell what is your personal wealth. Okay. This is one scenario I'm telling. Your 10th house might be very strong. Okay. And even your 11th house also might be strong, because your business is running good, your 11th house profit also running good. But if your second house has a Ketu or any other planet, then your personal savings you will not have. For example, I saw one person. He got the business from his father. He's a multi-millionaire. Okay, so it's a established business, so profit also going up. But this guy has a lot of bad habits, so personal money is not staying. Okay, so I was continuously having, what are all the habits you have? I can already see. I don't want to go deep.
Okay.
I don't want to trigger him. So I said, like, what is it? Then finally he also broke. He said, like, I have these. So every 3 months or 4 months once he go to a different country, he do gambling, he will lose all the money.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how we will say your business will grow, because you are lucky. Your father has made a business, and your 10th house also is good. But personally, you want to remove these habits. If you don't remove, then you'll be having. So that's the reason some people earn money but they don't save money. Okay. But at the opposite, I will tell you something. There are, I personally know, they got a love marriage at a very very teenage, around 18-19 they got married. The person, the male was actually driving an auto rickshaw. Okay, rented auto rickshaw. 1 or 2 year, the lady, the wife, she saved so money. After 2 years, she gifted him a new auto.
Okay.
In their house, savings was strong.
Okay.
Income was less. Income was less in the boys chart. In the girls chart, saving was there. She also did a lot of small jobs. Okay. Both got married when they were college kid. They didn't even finish studies. Then what kind of job they will get? They had a very hard time. They were driving Swiggy, Zomato, or everything, and finally they saved money. Okay. And they got an auto. In their house, savings was so good. Okay. So you just need to see which house is strong, and you need to make it more stronger, and you need to see which house is weak, and you need to take a remedy for that. Simple.